Hi everyone, Chef Stuart here. All right, today we have a great lunch dish that I'm going to show you how to make. And we are making it with white rice. So we're going to start with the white rice. I absolutely love this stuff. Look, it's made with vegetables, a tiny bit of rice. It's low in carb, it's vegan, it's so good for you, and it takes 12 minutes to make. So we're going to pour the whole bag into 1 1/3 cups of boiling water. It's going to give that a stir. Turn off the heat and lid on. 12 minutes and we're ready. All right, so we got the rice going. We're going to start with the chicken. I got 4 chicken tenders in a Ziploc bag. I'm going to add to that some chipotle chili powder. All right, about a half a teaspoon. I got some garlic powder. I'm going to add some of that in here. Onion powder, all right, and I'm going to add a few chili flakes into this too. Some salt, pepper, and some olive oil in there. I'm just going to mix it around. I got a pan already heating, so I'm just going to do this. You could get a chicken breast as well, cut that up into strips. Okay, we're good. Okay, to the pan, we're going to add about a tablespoon of olive oil and our chicken. So we got our rice on, chicken's going. Now we're going to make a simple aioli for this. To a bowl, we're going to add some mayonnaise. Ooh, we got some chili paste, some sambal, nice and spicy. To that, I'm going to chop some cilantro, juice of 1 lime, some salt, pepper, and some garlic powder. It's a pinch. We're going to give that a mix. Beautiful. So I'm just going to finish the rest of the ingredients and then we're just going to put it all together. It's as easy as that, everyone. Okay, so I got my avocado. That's going to look nice. So we're going to cut some tomatoes. So before we cut them, if you're going to be taking photographs of your dish, which I know we all do, you want to cut crosswise, not lengthwise, because what happens is you can see all the beautiful seeds. All right, so our chicken is beautiful. Oh, a nice little bounce to it there. That's done. Okay, let's check our rice. So it's been about 12 minutes. That is beautiful if we look in here. And you're just gonna fluff it with a fork. Okay, that was easy, guys. We got the chicken, we have our rice, we got some tomatoes chopped up, we got our avocado, I got some charred corn here, some black beans, and we got our aioli. Let's put it all together. All right, so there you have it. We did a cilantro lime rice bowl with chicken. I mean, the chicken alone is so tasty. We got our corn, we got our avocado, tomatoes. Guys, we threw this together within 20 minutes. Like, how easy is that? Let me go in for a little taste. We get the aioli, some chicken, and the rice. It's so good. It's just so tasty, everything together. The rice is warm. Make this. This is a good one. Bye, guys.